Hi everybody, Suzanne here with another unboxing video today. We just got in a box of like cozy comfy socks from a brand called Living Royal. We shopped with them over the summer. We got in some nice lightweight like liner socks, like no-shows, and now we're into winter and some like nice thick cozy socks. So these look like something fun to show you guys. These were right on top. They are super like thick and squishy and like this really pretty. We've gotten a lot of like sweaters and cardigans in like this really nice pale pink. So this is just kind of adding on to that little collection we've got going on. You'll have to run upstairs. I'm here in the harbor. We have all of our new like winter stuff upstairs, or if you're shopping in Austinburg, obviously if you're familiar with that room in the back. If you're not familiar, you'll have to stop in and check it out. Every day we're getting in some new fun things just like this. So again, socks. We are officially in comfy cozy sock season. It is a nice dreary November day where I'm at right now. So definitely shop for yourself. Get going on your Christmas shopping. Early bird catches the sock. So now, these look like no-shows, like little fuzzy slipper socks. What do we got going on? They have like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I'm not even showing you guys. So they have like these mushrooms. This is the toe. They're black with like these really nice, vibrant, embroidered mushrooms. And then the bottoms are like little grippy mushrooms, which is really cute, actually. That's super cute. So like I said, they're slipper socks with bottom grips. These are fun, but they're just like ankle no-shows. Oh, those are cute. We're always doing like those mushroom, boho, hippie, flower child. Those fit with that perfectly. And then we got like animal socks. These are super cute. I have to show you the cow. There's cow ones. Obviously, to go with your cow ornaments and your cow print scrunchies and your cowboy hats. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so soft. Look at his little face. Oh, I'm in love. These are adorable. These are really nice. Oh, these have grippies too on the bottom. Little grippers on the bottom. Fuzzy crew socks. Let me see if I can show you. Oh, they're like, well, you can see how much sock there is. Those are adorable. Absolutely adorable. These appear to be moose or reindeer. Something, these like brown polka dots. These are really cute. Trying to figure out how many, those are his ears? I think these are his ears, and then he's got like embroidered little nubby horns, so he's maybe like a baby reindeer. He's polka dotted. Oh, these are so soft. Grippers. Oh, those are adorable. And one more animal, looks pink, so it's probably a pig. Oh, it's a cat. We have all sorts of weirdly colored cats in the store, let me tell you. So we have your pink cat, we have a green cat keychain. Or is it a rabbit? Maybe he's a rabbit. I might have gone. I think I assumed cat just from the whiskers. Maybe he's a rabbit? Maybe he's a cabbit? I don't know. He's adorable though. Strike up Christmas conversation with your socks. Ask people what they think they are. Oh, does he have grippers? Grippers? Hello? No, wait, with bottom grips. Where are your bottom grips? Hold on. They have little pink hearts. I'm not disappointed in the pink heart gripper pattern. That's adorable. On your cat / rabbit pink socks. Okay. These are cute. These are just like multicolored smiley faces. And we've gotten in a bunch of like motivational, like really brightly colored, like be positive, be mindful stationery, like pencils and notebooks and stuff like that, and now we have the socks to match with these like neon multicolored smiley faces. Oh, and again, these are super soft and squishy and thick. They're literally called warm plush socks, and I get the feeling you will not be disappointed. They are not misnamed. Those feel super warm, super soft. Now we do have more of these like no-show liner socks. They're just different patterns, and these are actually cats. We got a bunch of these, so they'll be at both locations. Cat person. Look at, oh my god, look at this fat one. Look at that one. These are adorable, actually. Pink with all the different little babies. I love cats. If you also love cats, we got you covered. Design number 2 is wine glasses. Again, pink with these like multicolored wine glasses. Look, they're cute. These are fun. These would make really good, I'm assuming these will all be kind of in that like gifts under 25 if you're doing like a white elephant for like your workplace, or if you're buying for someone that you're like, if you know they like cats or you know they like wine, you're set. Like, we got you covered. This is like a paler pink. I think it's pink. It's like shimmery, so it's like a ivory pinkish with these mushrooms. These mushrooms are super like cute and whimsical. And again, like these are like what we had in the summer. They're no-shows. They're like lightweight, but they're really durable feeling. Like you're not gonna blow through these in one outing. This is a really like high quality brand. And then last, these are interesting. You color the socks yourself. So it's, let me show you closer. So the deal, scorpion. So this is like a whole like Western, literally like an out West type. Oh, the skull is part of the packaging. Okay, so the skull is part of the packaging, but everything behind that is the sock, and then it comes with these markers, and you become your own sock designer. You color it however you want, and it must, like, oh, you just place them in the dryer on the hottest setting for 30 minutes. That's kind of how it like sets, it like heat sets. So that's super fun, like a fun like kid activity, or like, I don't know, I would do this. If you buy me this, I would love it. I'm sorry. I am a child at heart. And then the other one is like flowers. This one, ooh, and it's got different colors. You can see like these are more neon. These are more of like your basic, like primary colors. Neat. It comes with like a paper insert so it doesn't like bleed through anything. Prevent bleeding from the front to the back of the sock. So there's like an insert in the sock, and then this is telling me how to use a marker, which I think everyone knows how to use a marker. Oh, so your options are you either run it through a dry cycle or you iron it. So yeah, get this for your little kiddos. Give them something to do on Christmas morning. That's the end of my box. So this is all like comfy, cozy socks from Living Royal. And again, like I said, we are working on getting a lot of gifts under 25, a lot of like personalized, unique gifts that like you're not gonna get anywhere else kind of thing. So yeah, we're trying to make the holidays and Christmas as unique and memorable as possible. Always your one-stop shop. We've got your candy, your chocolate, and your boutique, your clothing, your accessories, your socks, new candles, journaling. You know, the New Year's coming up too. We're always like one holiday ahead of ourselves. So we've got the New Year coming up. Get yourself like a daily gratitude journal, a zodiac journal if you're into like the more spiritual side of things. Yeah, always come in, check it out. Always as well shop online. These are all going to be on my wildflowerboutique.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, stay in the loop, subscribe to our email newsletter on the website, and yeah, we're getting new stuff in pretty much every day, so stay in the loop, guys. We'll be seeing ya.